State versus Parham Akabi, 2014-131, burglary, theft.
Your Honor, we will be representing Parham. We will waive formal reading of the information and enter a plea of not guilty. At this time, bond is not an issue, but we would like to request that he be brought back before this court the next time you're here.
Okay. Ordering to reappear on June 26th at 10 o'clock.
June 26th. Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus Michael Strange, 2014-130, theft of property, breaking or entering, attempt to commit commercial burglary. Also has 14-129, fleeing, aggravated assault, other charges.
Your Honor, we'd waive reading of the information or plea of not guilty on both cases.
Okay, 14-130 is before Judge Webb. He should appear on June 19th, 10 o'clock a.m. I've entered the plea of not guilty.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Is there a way we could consolidate both cases on your docket?
We can.
I apologize. I should have thought that.
Well, Judge Webb's here next, so I guess I can put them on both on his docket. Is that acceptable?
That'll be acceptable, Your Honor.
Anything further?
Oh, no, Your Honor.
Okay. You may be seated, sir. Thank you. State versus Danny Sturgis, 14-111, charged with theft and breaking or entering. And he also has 13-47, which is similar type charges.
Your Honor, at this time there's no matters to take up. I believe we're here for pre-trial on the older of the two and reappearance on the newer of the two charges. I'm going to speak with the state, and there's a chance we may have Mr. Sturgis come back this afternoon if we can reach a disposition. But as of right now, there are no matters to be taken up. If we need him back, we'll arrange with the Sheriff's Department.
Very well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
13-312, State versus Ben Dacus, possession of oxycodone, drug paraphernalia, marijuana, Xanax, drugs and firearms. 13-227, methamphetamine, paraphernalia.
Your Honor, there's no action taken on today's date. We've got a screening scheduled for a drug court possibility.
I see.
But I don't want to transfer into Judge Webb's docket until I get the results of that back. We can have a reappearance next time the court's going to be here.
This court.
We'll either have already resolved it through a drug court plea or we'll look at another alternative.
June 26th.
We'd waive speedy trial between now and that date.
Okay. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
No, there's no action to take today. We are in the process of negotiating a deal in this case. I think we're pretty close.
Who is this?
I'm sorry, this is Randall Beard.
Okay. 14-97. Very well. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
I
Honor.
was just doing some paperwork here.
I'm sorry, Judge. Thank you.
14-83, State versus Cody Watkins, criminal attempt to commit escape in the third degree.
Your Honor, he obviously has been arraigned on this.
He has. We're just here to see if there's any pretrial, if there are any pretrial motions.
Judge, there aren't any motions at this time. This is another case where we are actively attempting to negotiate a deal, so.
Okay, I'll just leave it as scheduled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus Denise Grantham, also known as Denise Gardner, burglary, forgery.
Thank you. Judge, the state has, just at this very moment, given me an offer that I think she will take,
Okay.
and we will need to discuss that and hopefully bring her back for plea today.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
13-111, State versus Matthew Tillery, delivery of methamphetamine. 13-162, forgery, theft. 13-167, forgery, theft.
Your Honor, he's got the 3 revocations. We'll enter a plea of not true to the allegations.
Okay.
It's my understanding that these were all pled, even though they're would have been originally signed to your docket that he pled out of drug court, and so I think he has to be revoked in front of Judge Webb.
Okay. I'll enter the pleas of not true, and we'll have I'll set a hearing rather for June 19th.
Thank you, Your Honor.